Hi guys, we meet again. So this is the last video for the for loop. I give you an exercise to test your understanding on this for loop. So here's the question. You are asked to write down a program using the for loop that you have learned previously, and the program can calculate the summation of 10 positive even numbers, only the even numbers. So the question asks you to come up with 10 even numbers only. So make sure it start with 2 and end it with 20, because it's only 10 numbers of even number. So the next calculation is to sum the even number after they have been squared. Okay, for example, 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 plus up to 20 to the power of 2. So the squared even number, only 10 even numbers, and summation. Okay, so how to do that? Let's start with our code block for the programming, for the coding. So here I open already my code block. So how to start? Okay, based on the question, it asks you to come up with two calculations: the summation of those 10 even numbers and the summation of its squares. Okay, so you might have to declare two things for that calculation. So here I declare, for example, sum. Right, and then I also declare the square, because we want to sum the squared even numbers. Okay, and then we are asked to use for loop. Okay, in order to use for loop, you also need to have a variable. So let's say I want to use variable x, for example. Okay, but x is not declared yet, so you have to declare x first before you use it in the for loop. So I declare x as the variable to be used in the for loop. So the initialization of variable x will happen inside the bracket of for loop. So the initial value will be, for example, you want to start with 0, of course. It's okay, you might do anything you want, but in order to answer the question given, it just want you to start with the even number. So the even number in the iteration start with 2. So the initial value for x, of course, is 2. Okay, so don't forget to put semicolon in between of the section, and the next section will be the loop condition. So the condition is you want only 10 even numbers. So the value for the variable x must be less than or equals to 20. Okay, so x less than or equals to 20. Let's say you don't want to put equal, you just want to put less than, also can, but the value must be less than 21. So 20 will be included. So put a semicolon before the next section. So the last section will be the update. So in the previous example, simple elaboration of for loop, I also show you how to display even numbers. So you just use the variable update using the arithmetic operator, relational operator. So here I use I plus equals to 2. This is also equals to I equals to I plus 2. Sorry, 2. It's just the same. So you want to make it simple, we just use plus equal to 2. So after this bracket, we have to use the curly bracket in order to put the body, to put the block for the loop. So what gonna be inside this loop? Of course, the calculation of sum and square. So sum, I want to calculate the summation of those even number only. So sum, let's say sum equal to x. You want to add up to x, right? here I use the old value of sum for the calculation of new value of sum. So in this declaration of sum, you have to put 0 for the start, for the initial value. So you can use this. This can also be rewritten as sum plus equals to x. Okay, it's just the same. You can choose either this one or this one. Oh, I use I instead. Okay, x, I'm sorry for the mistake. Okay, this is calculation of sum for 10 even numbers and calculation the squares. I want to square up the number. So for the square value, of course you use x times x, right? For the square. But I want to add up all the squared even numbers. So I use the square variable equals to the whole value of squares plus the squared even number. Okay, so for the initial value of squares, up here you have to put 0 for the starting. So this is can also be rewritten as square plus equals to x times x. Okay, you can choose either one. So this is the calculation for the sum and the squares. So that's all. Close the block. So I want to display the end result of the summation and the square summation. I just use the function printf summation of 10 even numbers of specifier t because it is integer. Sorry. And I recall the calculation that I calculate in the compound of for loop just now. So don't forget the semicolon. Right? To make it look good, you put backslash n for the next line. Right? And same goes for the square. If you want to display the square, summation of square even numbers, forget put 10 here, capitalize, specifier t, so I recall the value square, relative value of square. Okay, so you want to put return 0 here, it's up to you. You can put it or you can. You don't want to put it, it's just the same. Alright, so let's see whether this can be built and run. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to put semicolon here. Sorry, there's some error. So this is the answer. So the summation of 10 even numbers are 110, and the summation of 10 squared even numbers are 1540. Okay, so it means that we did our programming well. So this is how you do the programming for the question given.